Today we look at how to go live on YouTube using Zoom, because if you're anything like me, you use Zoom for everything. So that is the platform that you're most comfortable with. And guess what? You can actually go live using Zoom over on YouTube. Hey, it's Jaime. If you're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. All right, so here we are on Zoom. And if this is the first time that you're trying to go live on YouTube using Zoom, then you do need to come here to the actual website and modify your settings. But before we actually do that, one special item. In order to go live on YouTube, you do need the Pro account for Zoom. So whatever the price happens to be, I'm not gonna click here and get to the pricing because chances are by the time you're watching this, the pricing could have changed. So whatever the pricing is, just know that you require a Pro account in order to go live on YouTube. So just be aware of that. So I'm already logged in, so I'm gonna go to my meeting and I'm gonna go to settings. Now remember, this is only if this is the first time that you're trying to go live on YouTube. After you have the settings set up, you don't have to worry about it. So we're gonna go to in meeting, go to advanced right there. We're gonna scroll down until we find allow live stream meetings. So we're gonna go to toggle that on. As you can see, I have all of mine toggled on. You don't need all of them, but you can certainly do it. If you plan to go live on Facebook, then this is the same thing that you would need for Facebook. Workplace by Facebook, and then YouTube, which is what we need. Or if you have a custom live streaming service like Restream, which that is linked down below if you're trying to go live on YouTube and on Facebook at the same time. I do have a video right here that's gonna help you do that. So you do want to toggle all that on. So now that we have that ready to go, we are set. So we can actually host a meeting, launch it from right here. So I'm going to do that with video. Open in Zoom. All right. So you see me right there. So I'm going to go on with, let's go with computer audio. We're muted over here. So the audio is still being pulled through my recording. So what you're seeing right now is me speaking into the camera. So this is what you're seeing. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here, and these were the options that you have. So before you didn't see these three little dots, but now you do. And now you have the option of going live on YouTube, on Facebook, Workplace. So we're gonna go live on YouTube. And it's gonna open up another screen over here. So I'll come here and share it. It's gonna ask you for where do you want the permissions to go through. So I'm gonna go through this, my page, my account that's on YouTube. So I'm gonna go to unlisted, and now I'm gonna go live. So unlisted means that nobody can see this outside of the people that have the unique URL that's created. So it's getting set up to go live. All right, so done, redirecting to YouTube, and boom, I am live. And as you can see here, it's unlisted. So unless you have the URL, you're not gonna be able to see this, and you can start the chat right there. So this will be generally delayed a couple of seconds, so that is normal. So allow some time for that to happen. And all you have to do at this point is either shut this down or come back here and then stop the live stream. So stop live stream right here, and it will have stopped it over here as well. So it's gonna delay a couple of seconds. So here I am talking, and then I will be opening up the screen, and boom, I am off the air. That's how you go live on YouTube. It's that simple. Well, now that you know how to go live on YouTube using Zoom, you might be interested in learning how to actually make a YouTube video. So I'll leave a video right here that's gonna help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make it your best day yet.